Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be really interesting. It is a tag video. I was tagged by my fellow friend and YouTuber Mahua, and she has a YouTube channel named My Life My Rules. I'll leave a link in the description. You can definitely go ahead and check it out. Now the tag is about 5 makeup products that I can live without. Yes, it's not cannot, it's 5 makeup products I can live without. Now being a beauty blogger, we have more than necessary products, and it can range from anything to primer to foundation to kajal to BB cream to lipsticks, lip liners. Now makeup and its application would mean different for different people. Now if you watch Instagram videos and the way they do the makeup, it really stresses me out because I personally would not use so many products on my face. And even in YouTube videos, people show summer makeup look. Honestly, in summer I do not wear any makeup, and even if you know me personally, I just prefer powder, a lipstick, maybe a eyeliner or something like that, and that's about it. So this video was kind of easy for me to pick up 5 products I can live without. So without further rambling, I'm going to show you the 5 products that I can live without. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'll start off with the first product. Now the first product is a foundation. This one is Oriflame, the One Healthy Skin Foundation. You know, this is the only foundation I own because personally I do not like using foundation. I generally use a BB cream. I had made my homemade DIY BB cream, or I generally use Garnier or Pond's one. The Pond's one I really like. Uh, I don't know, when I apply foundation I feel something funny. I feel like there is something sitting on my face unless I really blend it and take efforts, to make it really look natural. Overall foundation is worst if you are if you are living somewhere where it is really hot, and particularly now in India it's very hot, so I don't see myself using a foundation on a daily basis. Of course, for functions and parties, you need to look good, so that's when I would use a foundation, but only when in places where it's required. I generally would use a concealer first, and if there's any need to even out my skin tone or something like that, that's when I would use a foundation. So yes, this is the first product that I can live without, and it's a foundation. The second product I would say is a kajal. Now this is the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. I really like it, and I'm not saying that I don't wear kajal. I do like kajal, but over time I have noticed that because I have dark circles and I have hollow beneath my eyes, whenever I apply kajal and if it smudges, it really makes me look like a panda. So in summers I generally avoid using kajal. I am using eyeliners nowadays, or I just keep it all together because I don't want to look like a raccoon at the end of the day. Eyeliner definitely helps to shape your eyes and make you look more alive. Kajal is something I like, but then as I said, it is something that I definitely can skip or live without, especially now in the summers. So this is my second product. It's a kajal. The third product that I can live without is an eyeshadow. This is the Essence 3V eyeshadow in Irresistible First Love. Actually, I'm wearing it today, but I'm not wearing any kajal or eyeliner. Uh, so yeah, I mean, since I have started vlogging, I started applying some sort of eyeshadow, but 95% of the time I do not apply eyeshadow because I am lazy, and secondly, I prefer more applying of kajal or eyeliner because it really defines the eyes, and normally on an everyday basis, who has the time to apply eyeshadow? So it's not that I hate eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. I've started applying eyeshadow now. Like if you can see, it looks really pretty on me. Is this silver color is what I've applied on my eyelids, and it really makes a difference to the face. But if I have to choose an eyeshadow on a daily basis, I would rather stick to one or not wear it at all, because sometimes it gets very difficult. Like if you're working, you would know who has the time to apply eyeshadow and stuff. Like I am a blogger, I work from home, so it's fine, but still I am a bit lazy, and I never got attracted to eyeshadows, probably because I never knew how to apply it. But now things are different. I do know how to apply it, but on a daily basis it's a little difficult. So this is one product I can easily live without. The fourth thing I would say is an eyebrow pencil. Now this is a Davis eyebrow pencil, and I bought this for 20 rupees, and this is what I've used to fill in my eyebrows. I remember during my childhood and my teenagers, my concept or my understanding of an eyebrow pencil was you need to use it if you really have sparse eyebrows, or if you have, gray or white eyebrows and you need to hide them. But everything has changed now. Like if you see YouTube videos, if you're on social media, especially on Instagram, there are so many eyebrow videos. People are really conscious about their brows, and they spend like so much of money buying powder, buying gel, buying this, that. Honestly, even a simple pencil like this could work, but I'm not really conscious about my eyebrows. I think because of the recent trend and stuff, I started getting conscious because I have gaps in my brows. Overall, they're okay, and on a regular basis, I might even forget to draw my eyebrows or fill them in. But overall, I think this is one product. I mean, the eyebrow pencil is something I can easily skip. So yeah, this is the fourth one. The last one is a blush. Now this one is from City Color Cosmetics, and I don't know which variant it is. It's like this shimmer prick sort of thing. So you could use it. The first part you can use it as a highlighter, the bronzer, and these are two blushes. So I'm not a big fan of blushes because I have chubby cheeks. So even if I applied the way I applied out here. And this is one trick I learned from Mickey Contractor, who everybody knows, who's a makeup artist. So in his video, he did mention that you should always apply your blush towards this part of your cheek, and it makes sense for somebody like me who has chubby cheeks because it really sculpts your face. It also gives you a flush of color. So blush is something I would not reach out for on a daily basis. So I don't see myself saying that, oh, I love blushes. Yes, I love. They do give a nice flush of color on the cheek, especially if you're not well or if you're going for a party and you use it, fine. But on a daily basis, I think blush is something I can live without. So yes, guys, these were the 5 makeup products that I can live without. As I said, makeup is something very personal. What I have suggested or what I have mentioned is something which you would use every day and you cannot live without, but it's always good to have some changes. Like if you're wearing kajal, you might as well skip it and apply eyeliner, apply eyeshadow like I've done today. But I have not used any kajal or eyeliner, and neither have I used any blush. So I hope you like this tag, and I would like to tag any of my YouTube friends out here. I do not know many of them, but I would like to tag Jinmil Saha from Beauty and Beyond, and any other YouTuber would like to do this tag. And if you do so, please go ahead and tag me on my social media saying that you have made the video. I would love to see from all of you, like, what are the products that you can easily live without. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun for me to make. I was clueless as to what video I should make next, and that's when I was tagged to make this video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you find it helpful. If you found it helpful, please share it among your friends. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that's when you will be notified each time I make a video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.